In hospital and clinical pharmacy, experiment number 14, aim is to prepare and submit 100 ml in bracket 500 ml of 1.4% weight by volume sodium bicarbonate intravenous injection BP. General concept structure for this practical is weighing, dissolve in vehicle, filter. Then in this practical there is no next method of sterilization, direct fill this preparation in final bottle which is already sterilized and then inspect for black and white particles under clarity test apparatus and label it properly. Formula given for this experiment is sodium bicarbonate 1.4 gram, water for injection to make 100 ml. Chemical required for this practical is sodium bicarbonate. Apparatus required for this practical is beaker, measuring cylinder, glass bottle 100 ml along with rubber closure, stirrer, aluminum foil and thread. Instrument required is weighing balance. Now take accurately 1.4 gram of sodium carbonate. Now take sodium bicarbonate 1.4 gram in a beaker. Now take water for injection 100 ml. Add this water for injection in a beaker containing 1.4 gram of sodium bicarbonate. Dissolve it well. Now go for filtration in aseptic room by using sinter glass filter. In this experiment there is no need of sterilization by using autoclave. Now come towards aseptic room. Now it's a laminar airflow bench where we'll do filtration. Now see, in aseptic room there is a sinter glass filter. Let us start with the filtration. While performing this practical, see whether your blower button is on, light and UV tube is also on. Before starting your practical, your laminar airflow bench should be on half an hour so that it will have the proper functioning for your filtration. After completion of your filtration, fill your sterile bottle. See for accuracy of 100 ml of your preparation. Fill it in your final container. Before filling in your final container of glass bottle, your glass bottle should be sterilized in hot air oven for complete dryness. Then seal it with aluminum foil along with thread. Now first we'll do inspection for clarity test. Keep your glass bottle under the clarity test apparatus first for white background to see whether black particles are present or not. Now turn your bottle towards black background to see white particles present in your. Now last step is there labeling. Label your container with proper labeling conditions, that is sterile, pyrogen free, single dose container with 100 ml capacity.